Hi, in this video we're going to show you 3 ways to see if Secure Boot is enabled on your PC. So we're going to be showing you this on Windows 10, just in case you're thinking of upgrading to Windows 11, since it is a requirement for Windows 11. But these methods will also work in case you are on Windows 11 already, and technically you can run Windows 11 without Secure Boot enabled, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so what is Secure Boot? So Secure Boot in Windows is a security feature that helps you protect your system from malware and unauthorized software by ensuring that only trusted software and firmware are loaded during startup. So it works by verifying the digital signatures of bootloaders, drivers, and operating system files before allowing them to run. So this prevents malicious software like rootkits from infecting the system before antivirus software can detect it. So for example, let's say you accidentally download a malicious bootloader that tries to replace the legitimate Windows boot process. So without Secure Boot, the system could run this unauthorized software, which could allow malware to take control before Windows even starts. But if Secure Boot is enabled, your computer checks the digital signature of the bootloader against a list of trusted certificates. So if the bootloader isn't signed by a recognized authority like Microsoft or your PC manufacturer, then the system prevents it from running, which will stop the attack before it could take hold. So now we're going to go over a few ways to see if Secure Boot is enabled. So first you could type in system information in the search box here. And under the system summary, look for Secure Boot. So right here, Secure Boot state is off, so we know it's not running on this computer. So that's one way. You could also go into the Windows Security Center. And then you want to look for device security. And if you don't have a Secure Boot section, that means it's not on. And if you did have it enabled and on, then you would see it here. So that's another way. All right, and then for our final method, we're going to be using PowerShell. So we'll run PowerShell by typing it in the search box. Got to run it as administrator, so we'll right-click it, run as administrator. All right, so the command we're going to be using is Confirm-SecureBootUEFI. So we'll press enter. So you can see it says false. So if Secure Boot was enabled, it would say true. All right, so I will put this command in the description so you can check that out. So those are your 3 ways to see if Secure Boot is enabled in Windows. And like I said, you could do this in Windows 10 or Windows 11 just to check it out. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.